everyone. So this is the summary of the poem Before I Got My Eye Put Out by Emily Dickinson. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1891 posthumously. The poem is about the speaker's experience after losing her eyesight. In this poem, the speaker says that now she can better understand the significance of vision, although earlier she had taken her eyesight for granted. So this is the text of the poem. Before I got my eye put out, I lied as well to see as other creatures that have eyes and know no other way. But were it told to me today that I might have the sky for mine, I tell you that my heart would split for size of me. So when the poem opens, the speaker says that when she had eyes, then she saw things as other people did. She took her eyesight for granted as she was used to it. Next speaker says that now she has lost her vision. She would be terribly happy if she could see the sky again and its huge size. She would also know that she is very small before the vastness of the sky. The meadows mine, the mountains mine, all forests, stintless stars, as much of noon as I could take between my finite eyes. The motions of the dipping birds, the morning's amber rod, for mine to look at when I liked, the news would strike me dead. So safer guess with just my soul, open the window pane where other creatures put their eyes incautious of the sun. So next speaker says that she would love to watch the meadows and the mountains and the forests and the endless stars. She would also love to look out at noon as much as she can when she will have her eyesight back. She would also love to watch the birds flying in the sky and the light in the morning spreading on the road. Next, she says that her heart will break into pieces with awe and wonder if she recovers her eyesight and when she will be able to enjoy the pleasures of her vision. But now, as she is blind, she can just observe everything with her soul. Her soul would work like a window to the visible world. And next, she says that she is safer as compared to other people who have eyesight because sunlight cannot harm her eyes because she's already blind. The main theme of the poem is the loss of sight, appreciation of nature, and death. And here the poem ends.